Sensolus platform, looking at it from the eyes of a transport and logistics company. So this is a map that you may have seen before with all our assets dotted around the continent. Let's have a little deep dive into some of these areas. As we can see here, we've got a yard which has been shaded in as a geozone. You can take it on, put it back on here, look at it at street level, satellite view. We can see all the assets that are dotted around here. So now let's have a little deep dive into some of the assets here. Let's just pick this one here, give you a quick look at the details on each one. You can see obviously location when it was last seen there, and you can see shipment info, which is basically custom data given to our platform by the customer, which allows you to do all kinds of very clever things. But let's have a little look here at the tracker itself. So this asset is a trailer. And in the last month, it's been all across these areas in Europe. As you can see here, you can adjust the ticker here. Of more interest is where did it stop? The places of interest for us can be captured on a map and represented like so. Also, how many hours during a day or a week has the trailer been moving? We can pick all that data up here for you to review. Another interesting feature of asset views is tags. We can create any tag that we want. For example, here we've got container green. It can be anything that you want to categorize so you can better manage your estate. Quick look at geozones now. Geozones are key areas of interest to us. As you can see here, they're all chosen across the continent. The top 5 showing here with a number of assets in each one. I'm going to have a quick look at the one in Bruges. We can see there are 57 assets here, and we can also see what type of assets they are. That allows us to manage the sites and drill down into them. Okay, let's look at another useful feature, alerts. So we want to manage sometimes by exception, not be monitoring the screens constantly. And here we have an alert saying that if anything hasn't moved for 5 days at HQ, we'd like to know about it. So here it is, flashing up here and also notifying the relevant people. Couple more things. Utilization allows us to see how, in this case, for example, our fleet is being utilized. So if we have a look at the month of June, we can see, for example, that our trailer has moved 4,000 times, and this is how many hours it's being used. Great for creating metrics to help you optimize your fleet utilization. And then one more thing, maintenance. We can create maintenance programs so that we can set those programs by activity level, or we can set them by periodic inspections. Here's one, for example, where we do a yearly inspection of trailers. We've got 162, and we can see that all of these here are okay. One final thing, dashboards. Dashboards are a great way to control what you want to see. These ones are being customized to show where assets are in the main 2 geozones of interest for us. They can be customized as you want. Here's another example, dormant assets, customer deliveries. We can measure those as well, and many other things too.